can be hereditary, like someone can inherit from their parents. Few can be spontaneous, like sporadic cases, like there can be a mutations in the later in the life leading to the infertility. So, for instance, in testes, there are more than 2,000 genes that those are responsible for spermatogenesis. So later in the life, there can be a mutation which can disturb those particle genes and can lead to agiospermia or low sperm count. So there may be an instance where a man is fertile, is a father of child, and later on they may find that their sperms are low. So this could be that mutation or some lifestyle changes.
And in cases of low sperm count, so what brings this about?
Low sperm counts, now there is a global decline in the count. What our forefather used to have the count, now that is totally decreased by 50%. This could be because of the environmental factors or some plastics, the plastics of the nanoparticles, they are now everywhere, including in brain and in testes as well. So they all affect the functioning of those organs. So obesity is, now obesity, when there is a obesity in men, that can lead to low testosterone, again leading to low sperm count.
For them, they don't have like an age limit. Like for ours, it's been given 35 as like the standard.
No, even men has a biological clock. Even men experience andropause. But women can have a menopause, men can have a andropause.
Andropause.